So guys, I have slime right here. So I'm going to take it out and show you guys. See here, some slime. Then, oops, I got some slime on here. Okay, so that's what I like to do with the slime. I like to do this. And do you hear that? Hear it. Sound cool, eh? And sometimes I like to stretch. Well, let's see how far I can stretch. Not that much. So this, how much can, oh shoot. Where it's going. And then, I'll like to show you this. See this weight thing? I'll make it flat. I'll roll it. Wait, you guys can't see it. But right here, the sign is right here. Wait. And I'll roll it. Then you'll see this line right here. Guys, see it? If you don't, then comment down below that. I just love slime because it feels so weird and it's satisfying. And I love doing this. This is my brother's slime because my brother's friend he gave popcorn to his friend, and his friend gave him this slime. Purple slime. I think it's like blue or purple. Ew, it smells bad. And then, oh, and by the way, I love doing this. Oh, I broke it. And that's the end for this vid. So, subscribe and click that notification bell, and see you guys later in the next vid.